And now, San Diego Connect.
Hi, I'm Renee Cohn. Many people wonder if laser treatment is right for them. Double board certified dermatologist Dr. Douglas Wu is here from Cosmetic Laser Dermatology to help us learn more. Dr. Wu, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me, Renee.
Well, first of all, let's talk about the benefits.
Absolutely. So with this type of laser, the benefits that we can get are smoother skin texture and a clearer, brighter complexion. Evening out the skin tone, sort of smoothing out pore size and relaxing fine lines and wrinkles are some of the additional benefits with this treatment.
Tell me about Clear and Brilliant.
Clear and Brilliant is actually a really innovative laser system. It's what we call a fractional laser. And what that means is that it delivers very focused beams of energy into the skin that help to sort of stimulate collagen and repair and rebuild the skin structure. It's a fantastic anti-aging tool. It's really revolutionized our anti-aging medicine.
A lot of folks getting on board with it, but let's talk about the downtime. Is there pain? I think people really want to know those two things.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a very unique laser in that it's very minimal downtime and in fact essentially pain-free. One can expect perhaps to be a little bit red for a few hours to a day and then have that kind of fade over the next few days until they're basically back to normal and have this perfect, beautiful, smooth skin.
Easy breezy. Well, let's talk about some of the benefits and see some of the benefits.
Absolutely. So when we talk about benefits, we can see them as early as 2 weeks after the first treatment. And often we do a series of treatments in order to get the optimal result. But if you go to our Facebook page or our website, clderm.com, you can see tons of before and after photos of this particular procedure.
And you have a sweetheart of a deal right now.
We do. Perfect time for Valentine's Day. If, for your special someone, you can purchase a few of these treatments and get fantastic benefits and bonuses, including some free products and some free other services as well. And that's all available through our website and through our people.
Wonderful. And remind us again about the website.
Yeah, so that's at clderm.com, it's fantastic. It's just been redesigned. So,
wonderful. Before and after pictures that are going to make you want to take the plunge. Dr. Ruth, thank you so much for your time today. Some great deals. Be sure to go to facebook.com/clderm to connect, and to find out more, go to clderm.com.